Pomegranate, scientific name, Punica granatum.
General information: pomegranate is a fruit-bearing shrub or small tree, usually 5 to 10 meters tall. It has a hard, reddish outer skin and is filled with many juicy seeds called arils. The fruit is native to Iran and northern India, but it is now grown in many warm regions of the world. Pomegranate is one of the oldest known fruits, often mentioned in ancient cultures, religions, and medicines. Nutritional benefits: rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber. Contains powerful antioxidants, punicalagins and anthocyanins, that fight inflammation. Helps in improving heart health, digestion, and may reduce the risk of some chronic diseases. Uses: eaten fresh by consuming the arils. Juice is very popular worldwide. Used in cooking, baking, smoothies, and even traditional medicines. Red apple: parts of pomegranate, cut/sections 1. Crown, calyx: the top part that looks like a little crown. 2. Skin, rind thick, leathery, and inedible outer peel. 3. Arils: the juicy, edible seed sacs inside, sweet to tart flavor. 4. Seeds: the hard part inside the arils, edible, but crunchy. 5. Membranes: pith white spongy parts inside that separate the arils, not eaten. Sparkles: interesting fact: pomegranate is often called a superfood because of its high antioxidant content and health benefits.